For those who demand reliability in the harshest conditions, the EC Knives 6P fixed blade knife is a top choice. Known for its durability and versatility in both outdoor and tactical scenarios, it features a 6.5-inch drop-point blade crafted from 1095 high-carbon steel. This steel holds a sharp edge exceptionally well and excels in heavy-duty tasks like wood processing, food prep, and self-defense. Its full-tang construction ensures maximum strength, eliminating concerns about breakage under pressure. The powder-coated finish provides added protection, but since it's high-carbon steel, regular maintenance, such as oiling, is essential to prevent rust and keep it in prime condition. The ergonomic micarta handle offers a secure, comfortable grip, even in wet conditions, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. A standout feature of the 6P is its adaptable sheath system, typically made from molded polymer or kydex, allowing for secure carry and quick access. This knife is a trusted tool among bushcrafters, survivalists, and military personnel, striking the perfect balance between size, weight, and cutting power. Next, the Garmin Tactics 8 is a rugged, feature-rich smartwatch designed for both tactical professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. It features a 47mm display with a durable bezel, available in black or brushed finishes, and showcases a high-resolution AMOLED screen that remains clear even in direct sunlight. Equipped with advanced navigation tools, the Tactics 8 offers multi-band GNSS for precise location tracking in challenging terrains. It also includes topographic maps, route planning, and waypoint marking, making it perfect for complex missions or outdoor expeditions. For tactical use, it features night vision compatibility, allowing users to view the display without disrupting night vision equipment. The watch also includes a stealth mode that disables wireless communications to enhance security. Built to endure harsh environments, it meets military standards for thermal, shock, and water resistance, ensuring reliability in extreme conditions. In terms of health and fitness, the Tactics 8 tracks heart rate, pulse oximeter, and stress levels. It offers performance-enhancing features like VO2 max and recovery advice, and includes smart functions such as notifications, music storage, and Garmin Pay. With a long battery life, particularly in solar models, the Tactics 8 is ready for extended missions or outdoor adventures. The Smith's Pocket Pal Knife Sharpener is a compact yet powerful tool designed to keep your knives and cutting tools sharp, especially in survival situations. Its small size makes it a go-to for outdoor enthusiasts, hunters, anglers, and anyone who needs a reliable sharpener for their blades. This sharpener features a two-stage system, a coarse carbide side for repairing dull blades, and a fine ceramic side for honing a sharp, smooth edge. Its versatile design works on all types of knives, from kitchen knives to pocket knives. Thanks to its compact form, it fits easily in your pocket, toolkit, or backpack, making it ideal for on-the-go sharpening. The non-slip rubber feet ensure stability during use, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, even during extended sharpening sessions. Whether you're out in the wild or simply maintaining your everyday carry knife, the Smith's Pocket Pal ensures your blades stay in top condition. The Vertx VTAC double pistol pouch is a durable and practical accessory designed to carry 2 pistols or spare magazines. Created for law enforcement, military, and tactical professionals, this pouch is part of the VTAC line and built to withstand tough conditions. Made from tough, water-resistant materials, it ensures your gear remains secure and protected. With adjustable straps, the pouch offers a customized fit for different pistol or magazine sizes. Its slim profile keeps things compact, without sacrificing easy access to your gear. MOLLE compatibility allows you to attach it to a vest, belt, or bag, providing versatility for any tactical setup. The pouch is reinforced with strong stitching and features Velcro closures for dependable, long-lasting use. Ideal for everyday carry or specialized operations, this pouch combines functionality, ease of access, and rugged durability for reliable gear storage on the move. The Tenacor Zero belt revolutionizes concealed carry with its minimalist design, addressing common frustrations with traditional belts. Conventional options often fall short, either too rigid for inside the waistband carry or too flimsy to support a firearm's weight. Bulky buckles tend to print through clothing, restrict carry positions, and add unnecessary bulk, while solutions like Velcro complicate tail management. The Zero belt resolves these issues with a streamlined design focused on comfort, concealment, and functionality. With an optimal 1.5x thickness, the belt achieves a perfect balance of flexibility and rigidity, providing all-day comfort while securely supporting a firearm. Its low-profile buckle minimizes printing and supports various carry positions, keeping the belt tail neatly managed without added bulk. Precision micro-adjustments enhance convenience, enabling quick and easy fitting adjustments. Offered in standard underbelt and heavy-duty versions, the Zero belt is a versatile option for concealed carriers, duty professionals, and tactical users. The Condor fold-out medical bag offers a practical and efficient solution for organizing and transporting medical supplies. Featuring 3 fold-out compartments with zippered closures, it provides a well-structured layout for easy categorization and quick access during emergencies. With dimensions of 9 inches in height, 10 inches in width, and 5 inches in depth, this compact bag includes an adjustable, removable shoulder strap and a sturdy web handle for flexible carrying options. Its PALS-compatible straps enable effortless attachment to modular backpacks or vehicle webbing, making it ideal for field use, tactical operations, or vehicle setups. Built for professionals, first responders, and personal preparedness, the Condor fold-out medical bag combines durable construction with user-friendly design to meet diverse medical needs in critical situations.